Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show a demo on how to perform right outer join in merge join transformation in SSIS. So as we know, there are only three join types exist in merge join transformation at the time of the configuration. One is inner join, and second one is the left outer join, and third one is full outer join. So in this case, how can we use this right outer join in merge join transformation? I will show in this demo. First of all, I will show my two tables. This is my sample database. Here I have two tables. On this two tables, first one is course. This is the course table. It is course ID and course name. These are the courses that are existing that institute. And second one is student course table. Student course table. So here course ID is there. Here course ID there, but there is no course name. So if you want to get the course name, you can go to this course table with ID. I want to implement the right outer join on these two tables. First, I will SQL query to get the right outer join. So here I am using a right join between two tables. Course, that is C. On is the keyword. So we used to get no SC. SC means that is the student course. There is course ID is there. So you need to map the same course ID with C dot ID. So here in select statement, ID comma name course name. Course, what is there in the course table? Course ID. Yeah, course name. Course name. So these are this is the result I want to get from by using the right join between these two tables. SC I am taking SC dot ID, and second one is the student name. Sorry, student name STU student. Yeah. Now if you execute this query, so you will get 17 records. So by default in the student course there are 17 records. If you execute the right join, you will get 16 records. In the course details there are 8 records are there. Eight courses are there, but when it comes to student and course record, some analysis happen, and some course IDs are not selected by the students. So if you execute the right join between two tables, those records will come and appear. See here, PHP and Ruby courses have not selected any students. So this is the case we are using the right join. So now by using SQL, we're getting 16 records. I want to show the same result and same number of records even by using how to use the in SSIS as well. I am taking this new package, first dragging the data flow task, double click to configure. So here we need to take OLD resource twice. One is for student course and one is for course. I am selecting this as student course. STURS. This is for course. Course table. To configure, double click, take new, and this is my sample database. Click OK, and here You need to select your table. Student course is my table and columns ID student name course ID are there, and it comes to course table. I am selecting the course table. This is the course table. Now I am using the sort. So without sort, you need not take the either merge and either merge join. So first you will take the sort. Sort I am taking two sort transformations, and here I am connecting the student course. Double click, and I am selecting this department ID. What is the common between these two? Is uh, in course it is course ID is there, and in student course it is course ID. So the common between the two tables is the course ID. So here I am starting the course ID. Click OK, and again I am connecting the course to the sort one transformation. Double click to configure. Here I am selecting the this ID. So this is sort transformation. Now I am dragging the merge in between these two. Merge join automatically when we click the merge join, it is asking for us to take the one input. So here I am taking a student course as the left table. Automatically this one is the right. Double click to configure. Here this is the key issue here. Here if you observe here, inner join, left outer join, full outer join. Only three joins are there. Now our intention is to use the right outer join. In this case, you have to select the left outer join first and select the columns. What are the columns you require from these two tables? So I am excluding this course ID from this table, and here I want to take the course name. So these are the columns we want to get from these two tables. So like what we did in the SQL query. So this is the ID, and student name, and course name. Like that, ID, student name, and source name. Now I used just left outer join. I haven't used right outer join because there is no right outer join in the given options. So in this case, SSIS has provide one options you see here, swap inputs. If you click the swap inputs, automatically these two tables will swap um, left to right. So here, see here, left to right. After clicking this swap inputs. So what this swap inputs will do to perform exercise right outer join, we have to swap the table. Left table becomes right, and a right table becomes left. So I clicked OK after swapping the inputs. Now I want to dump this data into the OLDB destination. I already created one table. I am selecting the table. Here I am selecting student course desk table is there. Student course desk table. Make sure once again there is no data in this table. Student course, student course desk table. Yeah, this is the table I am selecting. I want to dump. Right now we don't have any data, but ID, student name, course name are the columns are there. Now everything is finished. Now I want to execute the table. So after executing, whatever the result you got in the SQL, the same result you will get in this table as well. Student course test table, query window. Yeah, I'm executing the package now. Yeah, 17 rows initially there in the student course table, and then course table there are 8 rows. So after sorting, both are dumped into the merge in 17 and 8. And after that, after applying the um, swap inputs in the merge in, only 16 rows are getting loaded into the while loop destination. That's what we check in the SQL table as well. See here, 16 rows. If you go and check your destination table, the same 16 records appear this way. So this is how you need to use the right join. So here key part is swapping the inputs. Since we don't have any right join of the operation in join types at the time of the merge join transformation editor, after selecting the left outer join, we use to swap. We use to click this swap inputs so that left become the right and right table become the left. So afterwards everything is done as usual. So this is how you need to get the report by using the right join even in merge and transformation. This is very important inter question. So the interviewer might confuse you by asking this question. How many first they are asking how many types of joins in merge and transformation. As usual, we told inner join, left join, and full join. Uh, how to get the report by using the by implementing the right join. This is very key important. You need to answer by swapping the inputs in the merge and transformation at the time of the configuration. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.